Students, upon continuation of starting to solve some number of problems on beams structure, the first important formula to be taken into consideration is finding out individual element stiffness matrix. Small letter k equals EI by LE cube into few numbers being written within the matrix. As an explanation, when you concentrate closely on the 16 numbers present within the matrix, which is being divided into a set of 4, that is 4 numbers being written in different colors. From a student point of view, these 16 numbers are being remembered like first set 12 4LE square 6LE 6LE, second set of numbers written in red color 12 4LE square 6LE 6LE. In a similar sense, the third and fourth set of numbers being written in black color. An important shortcut here to remember is all the numbers that are present along the third row and third column except the coinciding number 12 will get the minus sign. Thus, a student has to remember this individual element stiffness matrix formula as K equals EI by LE cube 12 4LE square 6LE 6LE 12 4LE square 6LE 6LE 12 2LE square 6LE 6LE 12 2LE square 6LE 6LE, and finally to all the numbers of third row and third column except the coinciding number, you write the minus sign. After finding out the individual element stiffness matrices depending upon the number of elements present in the beam structural member, a student has to proceed further to find out the global stiffness matrix. Capital letter K equals K1 plus K2 plus K3 continued. The third formula the student has to remember while solving any problems on beams are global displacement vector capital letter Q equals Q1 Q2 Q3 Q4 continued, as well as capital letter F global force vector equals F1 F2 F3 F4 continued. The total number of entries to the Q and F matrix is directly proportional to the total count of the nodes present in the beam structure. Then in order to get the required answers, that is vertical displacement and angular displacement of Q matrix as well as support reaction capital letter R, we have to use the governing equation of FEA given as capital letter K into capital letter Q is equal to capital letter F. Finally, to find out support reaction R, the formula used is capital letter R equals K into Q minus F.